Now that we have the action created, we can actually come in here and we have all these other folders that we need to run through of photos. So this one here has 59 photos. We're going to come in here and we're going to run that same batch edit. So we don't have to recreate the action. We just come in the file, come into automate, batch, run the same action, choose the folder. Now we're going to find the basement photos that we have. Click that. And now where we're going to save it out to, the photos, and we're going to create another folder called WebP 1080. Create that folder, choose that, and now we will call this, let's do basements. All right, so we'll do basements, and now when we run, it's going to label all those photos basement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then click OK. And now I'm going to find that photo folder that we just created, basement 1080 WebP, and you'll see them there, they'll all start popping in right here. So it's running through all the automations right now, or the batch edit that we just created, and we can see that the first one here is already 1080 by 608 and 55, and that first photo was 8 meg. Oh, it's not the same one. Let's go up to the same one. The first photo was 1.8 megs, and now this one's 55. So that drastically sized all those photos down.